Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today you should have started out watching our very special guest, Nichole Manuel Art. She's an amazing artist, super sweet lady. And if you haven't went to her YouTube channel, please go check her out. I'll have the link in my description. If you missed her today, starting out the Express, please go back and watch her as well. We're so excited to have you on with us, Nichole. After her, we have Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art. Now you're here with me, Creations by Christy. After me, you would usually have Shannon, but she's took a few weeks off, so we'll go straight to Sis or Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. And then after her, you have the sweet Hippy Dippy Painterman and maybe my lovely Sis Cat. All right, so I have this round. I think it's a 10-inch round, and it's MDF. And I am going to, I think, do a radial. I've got some colors out here. I'm just gonna tell you as I put them down. My pillow paint is Color to Go Sherwin-Williams, and it is in an Ismar purple. Of course, you know I love purple. So I'm just gonna play some music and let you guys watch.
With you, everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Wheels in motion, I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too, 'cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in. You're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Be with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the wild. I got a little crush on you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild ones. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Be with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the wild ones. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you.
All right, give me just a minute and I'll be right back. I think I'm going to do just a small little coaster since I've got time. I will be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. Here, I've got my pillow paint put down on this. It's just a little coaster. It's a round coaster that I got along with a bunch of other paints and stuff from my big sis and big bro, Tony and Cat Pender. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so very much for the paints and the fun stuff. I love you guys to pieces. But I went ahead anyway and I put this Ismer purple down. I'm gonna throw some colors down on it, so I will play some music and let you guys watch.
It's a new day for a high. It's another day to try to get by. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now every second, every hour of the day. Yeah. It's a new day for a high. Yeah. It's a new day for good times. I just turn the page, let it write what it likes. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now. Every atom in my body feels okay. Yeah. It's a new day for good times. Yeah, yeah.
All right, guys, that's it for me today. I'll bring you for a close-up on both pieces. I'll be right back. All right, guys, here's this one. This is a modification that Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art taught me. He calls it the lollipop. I like it. It didn't do too bad. So tell me what you guys think in the comments. I was talking to Marie-Louise Art, and I told her about it, and I told her I would do one. So here you go, Marie. All right, guys, I'll show you my other one up next. All right, guys, here she is. Tell me what you think in the comments. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate all of you who have done that already. I like it. I think it turned out pretty cool. So, up next is Sis or Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. After her, you have the sweet Hippy Dippy Painterman and maybe my lovely sis Cat. And if you missed Nichole Manuel Art, please go back and watch, along with Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art. Everybody is amazing on this express. Love you guys. Have a great day or great night wherever you are, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.